Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Track your website's performance like a pro by installing Google Tag Manager on your Squarespace sites. This video will guide you throughout the setup process so you can easily manage and deploy tags for analytics and marketing. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. In this video guys, we are going to follow the Tag Manager help to guide us throughout this video. So, before you begin, you will need to have your Google Tag ID. The instructions for setting up the Google Tag are different for tag IDs, starting with A, W, or basically usually Google Ads account, and tag ID starting with G, which usually stands for Google Analytics properties. Follow these instructions below that correspond with your tag. So for us, we're gonna talk about both. Now, if you have a tag starting with AW, then you have to follow this. If you'd like to set up your Google tag using this method, a Squarespace business or commerce subscription is required. So here, you simply have to click right there, or basically go to dashboard, go to your account settings, and get to see the plans. Now, these are the plans that are required for it, either the business or the commerce, as you can see, and as they are mentioning right here. Now, this one has $23 and this one is $28 per month. So this is just as a site information, so you can follow me with this video. Now, sign in to your Squarespace account. On the dashboard, choose the site you want to modify. So here, I'm going to go with this one as an example. From this area, go and open the main menu, then click Pages. So, as you can see here, this is basically how it works, and click Website Tools. So here, from the main menu, click Pages, as you can see here, and there will be here in Utilities, the Website Tools. Right click on it, and as you can see, you will have all of these options. Now, click Code Injection. So here, I'm going to click on Code Injection, and as you can see, this has to be upgraded, so you can't use this feature without upgrading your site. But let's keep on going. Now, under Header, paste your Google tag and click Save. Don't add more than one Google tag to each page of your website. So simply, I'm gonna copy this and paste it right over here. So in header, not in footer, but in header. So this is basically it. And now what you will have to do is to change a couple of options in this area. First of all, you have to go right here and put your Google tag. Don't leave it as tag ID, but change it to your Google tag. Same goes for here. So these are the main things that you'll have to do. Once done, click on Save, and it's going to be pretty much good. Now, how about for those who have G in their tags? Well, in this case, you simply have to go copy the icon to copy your tag ID. As you can see, click the copy icon to copy your tag ID, and then sign into your Squarespace account, which we are there already. On the dashboard, choose the site you want to modify. Then from the main menu, click Settings. So let's go back. Let me close this. Website Tools, Website, go back, and there you go. So as they said, we have to click on Settings, and from here, we have to go to the API. So as you can see here, I have to go to Settings, Developer Tools, and then the API keys. So there we go, external API keys. And all you need to do now is to add your tag. So this is as we said. Paste your tag ID in this corresponded area. So we simply have to put it right here. We have to put the G, then the code in general, just the code. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now there is two formats of it. There is the G and there's the UA. I think this one stands for USA normally, or I don't know. UA, let's search it for it. UA Google tag. So universal analytics, all right, that's for universal analytics. So in case you had this one also, you can use it here. So there is two options, either if you have the AW or basically you have the G. So both can work through the external API keys. Now, noting that this option doesn't really require a business or commerce plan, so you can do it for free. But AW you have to get the business or the commerce plan, so you can basically execute the code and make it work. Other things to note is the code itself. Do not forget to change the tag ID in both areas, or else there will be no data going back and on. And in general, for installing your Google tag in Squarespace, you have to follow this. So download on Chrome Store, which is basically going to work as an extension, add to Chrome, and then you can add it as an extension. Make sure that it is the correct extension by checking the stars and of course the amount of users. As you can see, get started with Google Tag installation. Click the button below and follow the instruction. So let's install it. Now you can click on confirm, and here which account websites would you like to work with. So there is like here add accounts, there is website. We're not gonna go deep into that because we don't have a website, but in general this is how it works. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Nothing complicated about this process at all. So if you did have any problem during the process that I've showed you in this video, just make sure that you are doing it step by step, because everything here is not from my own, like what I've done or something that I think of, but something that Google themselves have been written in an article by themselves. So you can have this tracked by them, and basically it is verified by Google. So these options or this step that I've shown you in this video are authentic 100%. Otherwise, if you do not have the if you do have the AW code, then try to change it to the G1 so you can have the access for the free version, because yeah, you will get stuck if you don't want to pay for the premium one, since if you're gonna pay, like, is it worth for you to actually pay $23 or $28 for only injection a code? I don't know. It's completely up to you guys. So you're gonna know how to manage your money. And yeah, that was pretty much it guys for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. If there was any problem or mistake that you have faced during this process, make sure to leave a comment down below so we can verify it with you and answer the problem or give you the solution instantly. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next video.